nakaka-board eh. Mag-drive tayo. Bibili na rin kaming ulam. Bibiling ulam tapos dito kakain sa kotse. Kakain ka pa ulit? Yes? Yes. Huwag ka magmadali, anak ha? Oo. Wait lang.
Mom, we're going to eat them.
Dito nga. Be.
No. Yes.
Naku, Pau.
At the power.
Dahan-dahan ha. Ang mahal niyan. Wait lang, baka maatrasan mo. Sige, sige. Be. Pau, wait lang. Baka dumikit ka. Ay, sino natin si ate? Ang galing. Ayusin mo ah. May Coke kami. Coke. Magkano to? We have a Coke. Coke. Ate, ay. Yung sa 7-Eleven, mas malaki? Anong size to?
500.
Ganito rin sa 7-Eleven. Ah, 35 lang oh. 40 plus yun.
Burger drug yan.
Ha?
Daddy.
Ah, oo nga pala. Ano to? Chicken! Kapitama mo. Chicken, tapos umuulan. Tapos, uy! Ayan na naman, pengi kami ha.
Grabe, kain agad siya. Wala mo.
Biyaan mo siya.
Bakit? Ganda lang. Hindi, bigla lang kain.
Ilang pipis yan? 1 lang? Sige, pengi kami ha.
Share na kami.
Rice. Candies.
Let's decide.
And jumujulan. It's raining.
I want to play hide and seek. No, I want to eat. Play.
No arguing,
Ano
everyone.
yan?
First, we will play hide and seek.
Goo gaga.
Then, let's get in the elevator. We are going down. I think it is somewhere below. We will find it. Do not.
I heard something.
Did you hear something?
No.
Yummy.
What are you talking
Dito na kami talaga
I
kumain.
think I heard someone talking.
Someone was talking?
Walang magawa sa
I did not
bahay.
hear anything, Sky.
Kami sa Jolly Boy.
Let's keep watching TV. Maybe you just imagined it. Look! Always wear a helmet when you ride.
Goo gaga.
What, Sky?
Bao, hindi ko na malayan may nag-part na pala dito.
Okay.
Pero nung pinakita mo, diba utak ko?
What should we check first?
Hindi ko yan nakita.